What's up, guys? If you have a nozzle on your sink that is extendable, one of these guys here, but the issue is, when you let it go, it just sort of dangles and hangs down. It doesn't pull itself back up like it should, because it should pull itself up like that. Okay, so it should do that. If yours is not doing that, first look underneath the sink. Have a look in here. See that black thing right there? That is a weight, basically. Make sure the weight is not snagged on anything under here. Make sure none of these things under your sink are binding against the hose, But look for this thing right here. If it is like hanging way over here or something, you can slide it. Just slide it on the hose. Bring it up a bit. Because, see, that goes up to the sink faucet. So just slide this upward, because look what happens. All right, if I pull the faucet out and then I let it go, watch what happens. See how it just naturally, if it gets hung on anything though, like if it gets caught on one of these or the piping or anything, if it gets snagged on that, it will not retract here properly. Okay? So just take a look under there and make sure none of that's going on. And that's that. Make sure you check out our channel. We got tons of stuff relating to cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, golf carts, hot rods, working around the house, fixing things. You'd be surprised. We got over 2,000 videos on our channel, so please check it out. And if our video really saved your life or helped you in any way, feel free to click the thanks button. It's a donation button under the video screen. Do that for any monetized YouTube channel that helps you out. And that's it. You'll have a great day.